I'm gonna see how much I can fill up in the top. Take it out. Let the water drop. All right, today we're gonna bring a water filter for your aquarium. Right now, you got to be aware about something first, right? You got to bring the leveled water down to minimum so you can actually start cleaning up, because certain parts of the actual features here are not waterproof, all right? And it does require 4 AA batteries, all right, that you require. Now, to assemble this thing is very simple. You got this actual motor here. The motor actually has a magnetic system that automatically, you can feel it, the magnet getting pulled, and then you got 2 layers of the actual suction system going in. All right, when you put it together, it snaps. It's supposed to snap in there. If you guys can see, the element snaps in here in the little indentations in here, and then this one will actually make it even longer. So just make sure, if you have a deep aquarium, you need to actually be aware of that first, all right? That this part's not waterproof. All right, so when you're using this is the filter, and this is where all the dirt's gonna be at, all right? So you want to deattach it, you can do that. So I do have shrimp, so I'm gonna have to take care of this part to make sure that I don't get any shrimp in here and caught in the actual system. There's a little indentation button, but it's not a button. You just kind of pop it out, and this is where you're gonna have to clean. So I am gonna get a bucket and clean everything there in that bucket, make sure that I do not capture any shrimp, all right, because I do have a lot of shrimp. So put this back in here. It's like a cartridge, if you guys can see. You can have multiple of these units ready to go, and then power button is on the top, all right. That's pretty much it. So let's put it together right now. So you're gonna have to push this button here. This top comes up, and this is where you actually set up all the batteries in here, right? I finally figured out with the instructions how the batteries go, all right? So you're gonna have to put the positive on this side where the little notch is at. If you guys can see, it tells you right there, all right? A little indentation of how the batteries go. So these go down, all right? That's 1, 2, and then these go facing up. And there you go, all right? And then the cap. So let's put it together. Then we're gonna test it out. So you can hear the motor. So try not to run it without water. I just ran it right now to test it out, make sure it's spinning, and I can see it spinning. That's the motor that's gonna suck in all the water up to here. All the fish poop, all the debris, everything's gonna come in here. So let's put it together and see how it works. All right, here's what I'm having issues with. Look at the growth. It brings a lot of dirt and a lot of fish poop, so I gotta clean it because the cleaners need cleaning. Now I do have some snails, I have a lot of shrimp that I gotta be careful on. That's why I got this little filter, because I want to be able to make sure that I don't kill any of these guys while I'm doing it, and if I do, I can put them back in here if I capture them. So we're gonna clean this aquarium. Look how it looks right now, right? Filthy, filthy, filthy. I try to do this once a month at least, but I got to do it even more. So I'm gonna show you how this thing works. First of all, I got a bucket right next to me, and the bucket has water too. So just to make sure that anything I do, I'm gonna clean it. So I'm gonna run it all the way to the bottom, turn it on. Look at this. Look how it's doing it right now. Cleaning. It's actually working really well. Look at all the debris it's taking. I can see it here. And I'm just placing it in place, and it's picking up all the debris. It's gonna get the water cloudy, but it's okay, we expect that. And here, look at that shrimp I'm taking. And it's just cleaning the dirt. That's what I like about it. Okay. Turn it off. I'm turning it off now because it is completely full. I'm gonna let the water drain out a little bit. I can see all the debris it got. I'm gonna put it in here. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. It's a lot of stuff. I'm gonna clean it. All right, so just to let you know, I took out the cartridge in here. And I want to make sure that I don't kill any of my shrimp. So we're gonna take out the bottom, like I said, and run some more water. I can see all the dirt that I picked up, and it's easy to clean. And more water, clean. I'm just gonna run it slowly. That's how simple it is. We're still gonna review. See, I don't make sure I don't have any shrimp in here, but that's how simple it is. We'll put it back in here. I cleaned all this over here, which is dirty before. The machine, you're gonna have to pass it a couple times. Look at this guy. I haven't seen this guy for quite a while. Finally came out, but it's because I did clean up really good yesterday. And now, look at this. Beautiful fish tank, lots of plants. All these things came out. I cleaned a lot of stuff, so. Beautiful aquarium. Nice and lush. Still a little green here and there, but fishes are super happy. Shrimp are even happier. If I could find a bunch, I got a lot of shrimp. There's my red cherry shrimp right there. I got maybe 1,000 of them here. They're everywhere. They're camouflaged, they're hidden.